There are tons of YouTube videos showing you different types of jabs, and you can collect these new techniques and practice them to your heart's extent. But today in our video, we're going to talk not techniques, but tactics. We're going to take this a step farther and try to prepare you for situations when and how you're going to use your jab so you can have success when you fight. The jab is your lead hand straight punch, and the mechanics of the jab don't really lend themselves to being a powerful strike in the way that the left hook or the right hand do. So most fighters are going to have success thinking about the jab more as a tool to set up other punches or to manipulate their opponent's defense instead of as a KO punch. Teddy Atlas has a quote that I love that says, "The lead hand sets the table so that the rear hand can eat." The jab is best described as a quick, probing, non-committal punch. It has to be the most versatile and diverse of the punches in your arsenal. So without further ado, let's go into the uses of your jab. Assisting us with today's lesson will be my co-coach and resident strength and conditioning coach, Antonio. You can use the jab as traffic to obstruct the path of an opponent's attack, as a range finder, to mask stepping in, to drive off of an opponent and create distance, to hide lateral movement, to hide angles, to pin someone's guard and allow you to move through that lane of attack, to blind your opponent, potentially hiding the right hand, to clear your opponent's guard, both by punching their arm out or by stripping their guard as you retract your jab. To force them to overcommit to a defense and create an opening elsewhere. To own the empty space between you and secure an exit. As a hard stopping strike to stop them from pursuing you. You can lead them with the jab or punch where you anticipate them going. From a crouch, you can use the up jab to stand them into a bad position. You can use a low jab to cut off a level and stop them from drop stepping or moving their head. A fast jab can beat a power punch. You can use your jab to steer an opponent by nudging either side of their head. If you learned something new watching this video, like and subscribe. You can split the guard with the jab. After missing a jab, you can frame laterally or to the top of their head like Foreman or Lennox Lewis. You can use the jab to play with rhythm, both the half beat, the long beat, and you can practice jabbing on the second step like Sonny Liston. You can jab to bait a counter and then counter the counter. You can use the jab to recover from a missed punch. You can jab backwards, creating a barrier to stop somebody from following you. You can slip and jab the body or duck and jab the body to steal your opponent's breath and steal their cardio. You can intentionally punch at your opponent's hand to bait their parry and then counter the parry. You can counter with the jab in a variety of situations. You can jab with the jabber to disincentivize the strike, but you must make sure that your defense is responsible. There's an old saying in boxing, a good right hand will take you around the block, but a good left hand can take you around the world. If you can apply today's lessons into your daily training and start thinking about the jab as a tool, you'll get diversity with that punch and have more success when you fight. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Do you have my audio?
Yeah.
Okay. If you learn something new watching this video, then you turn to me.
Oh.
Like and subscribe. That's actually even funnier.